a country known for its stunning natural beauty, from majestic fjords to snow-capped mountains. Norway has something to offer every traveler. In this video, we'll explore some of the best places to visit in Norway to help you plan your dream vacation. Jotunheimen National Park is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Located in southern Norway, this park is home to the highest mountains in the country, including Geirangerfjord and Glitterton. Visitors can enjoy hiking, skiing, and wildlife spotting in this pristine alpine environment. Oslo, the capital of Norway, is a vibrant city with a rich cultural heritage. One of the top attractions in Oslo is the Royal Palace, the official residence of the Norwegian monarch. Visitors can take guided tours of the palace and explore its beautiful gardens. The Geirangerfjord is one of Norway's most famous fjords and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This stunning natural wonder is surrounded by towering cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and lush green valleys. Visitors can take a scenic cruise along the fjord or hike in the surrounding mountains. Picturesque archipelago located off the northern coast of Norway. Known for their dramatic landscapes, the islands offer a unique blend of rugged coastlines, pristine beaches, and traditional fishing villages. Visitors can enjoy activities such as hiking, fishing, and photography. This UNESCO World Heritage Site features colorful wooden buildings and narrow alleyways that transport visitors back in time. Visitors